Common Gamer here. Bringing you a video of what I'm gonna have in my movie. I'm gonna have this in my toy movie. This is gonna make an appearance in my toy movie. This has been confirmed. This will be my toy movie. You'll see what scenes it'll be in. Yeah. You'll see that. When I start filming. I'm gonna start filming in June. I am definitely using this. This is gonna make an appearance. This is the 777. It's gonna fly to Costa Rica, and then they're gonna go to the island from Costa Rica. I'll pick a city in Costa Rica. You'll find out in the movie. But the plane's gonna fly out of Toronto, Canada. They're picking some people up in Canada to go to Isla Nublar. There it is. This will make a very good movie for the movie. In the movie, you would definitely not see my hand, but this is just a YouTube video. I'm going to show you what I'm going to have in the movie. This is definitely going to make an appearance. I put this model together back in September of 2014, but this year I'm going to do this. Engine there, and engine there. 2 General Electric engines. And this plane that's going to be in the movie, the 777-300ER. It's taking personnel, some Canadian scientists, and security guards that are from Canada to Isla Nublar. See? This will make an appearance, so I'll go like this. Then I'll show it landing. Yeah. See? This, and there, and there. This 777's gonna be in the movie, and it'll be in the movie. In the first couple of scenes. Then the rest of the movie will be filmed at my cottage. But for now, I'm gonna film it here in Halifax, so I'll do it in Halifax, and then after that, I'll do it at home. Look at this, Air Canada. 10 emergency exit doors. This is a large jumbo jet. This is the biggest twin-engine jet in the world. Just wanted to give you some facts. This will be in my toy movie. For sure. So, you'll be seeing this next month when I'm filming my movie. This model will be in it. Well, that's all for me right now. I want to show you a prop that's going to be in my movie. I'm making more props, as day by day. This week I'm going to make a prop, a DNA machine prop. One of the DNA synchronizer machines. And I'll place a dinosaur in it. And it'll be water. And it will kind of look like Jurassic Park 3, sort of, but it's going to hold a bigger dinosaur. It's going to hold a Dimetrodon in there, as Andrew's making an experiment. Yeah. You'll see it in the movie. Yeah. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and hit the like button.